This 16-piece set of INCX Solar Ground Lights is ideal for lining paths, patios, and garden beds with an even, low-profile glow that does not get in the way of foot traffic or mowing. The latest version stretches battery life, so the discs reliably stay lit from dusk through the night, which is especially helpful for walkways and driveways that need consistent guidance. Each light uses multiple light-emitting diodes to produce a surprisingly bright, cool white pool of illumination that improves both curb appeal and nighttime visibility. The housings are made from tough, heat-tolerant plastic with a sealed design, so they hold up well against rain, sprinkler overspray, and seasonal temperature swings. Installation is straightforward because the stakes simply press into softened soil, with no wiring, no trenching, and no electrical knowledge required. Since the lights charge from sunlight and turn on automatically at night, they add practical landscape lighting without increasing your energy bill or requiring ongoing attention.